In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install the cap pressure sensor. Please note the safety instructions in the relevant installation and operating instructions manual. Before starting installation work, check the scope of delivery for completeness. The cap pressure sensor is required for controlling the AIR1 units in the constant pressure ventilation mode. The measurement probe is installed in the supply air duct. We recommend 2 duct diameters distance between the unit and bends and forks, as well as 6 duct diameters after bends to avoid a turbulent airflow. Drill a hole in the middle of the ventilation duct with a 7.5 mm drill bit. Shorten the measurement probe so that it is flush with the inner wall of the ventilation duct. When attaching the measurement probe, ensure the correct alignment of the screws with the airflow. Also make sure that the drill hole is properly sealed. Install the cap pressure sensor horizontally or vertically on a stable, vibration-free surface, e.g. on the building wall. A 4-pole control line with a cross-section of 4 by 0.5 mm squared is required for the electrical connection of the cap pressure sensor. Please also refer to the unit wiring diagram. The cap pressure sensor must be calibrated before installation is complete. To do this, activate the ventilation unit and wait around 10 minutes. Then press the cap sensor calibration button for a 0 calibration. The calibration is complete when the yellow LED goes out. The next step is to connect the supplied pressure tube to the pressure input P1+ on the cap pressure sensor and the measurement probe on the ventilation duct. This completes the installation process. The cap pressure sensor is activated in the Commissioning Assistant. To do this, click on one of these 2 preview videos. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosair1.com.